Alright, so we back. It's the day after, and I said, keep my word. I messed around and put my sister's flowers on the wrong grave. It's for my baby sister. She's number 6. So, goes here, goes here. And I'm in the process of getting her a tombstone, so, you know, Courtney, you know I love you, baby, I miss you. And I just kept my word. I said I was gonna come back today and do it. So I took care of my sister's grave, so Geraldine Courtney, right, rest in peace, I love you, baby.